Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to use App Store search filters. In App Store, search filters are dynamic, which means that they only appear after you perform some search. So let's go to Search and tab in the bottom right, which looks like magnifying glass icon, and let's hit the Search and tab. So you want to search for anything. Let's say that I want to find photo editor. And at the top you will see a row of filters. So simply tap on one filter that you want to apply. Let's say it's effects and maybe background, and I will see my results depending on my filters. The same it works with some other searches, let's say games, and at the top I will see different filters that I can apply as well. So yeah, that is basically it, and depending on what you search, you will see different options, of course. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.